Today, energy drives everything around us, from transportation, manufacturing, and homes, all the way to global economies. But how does it all start? In this course, we take you on a simplified journey into the energy world, specifically the oil and gas sector, so you truly understand how the industry works end to end. Module 1. Introduction to the energy world. Module 2. The oil and gas value chain. Module 3. From well to market. Module 4. Operations and field insights. Module 5. The future of oil and gas. You'll learn how resources are discovered, how production actually happens, how oil and gas move through pipelines and terminals, and how refined products reach markets. Simple and clear explanations. Real field-based insights. Professional downloadable booklet. Practical examples. Certificate of completion. So whether you work in the petroleum field, plan to join it, or simply want to understand how the global energy ecosystem operates, this course will give you the foundation you need. Register now and start your journey into the world of energy.